12. List 3 ways in which a clerical officer may use the supplier advice note to verify incoming goods. Checking the quantity of goods received against the advice note. Verifying the description and specifications of goods. Cross-referencing the delivery date and supplier details on the advice note. Section B. Answer any 3 questions, 60 marks. 13a. Explain 5 benefits that a state department may derive from establishing a procurement unit. 10 marks. Facilitates professional procurement. A procurement unit allows an organization to conduct its procurement process in a professional and systematic manner. Creates check and balance. The procurement unit acts as a control mechanism preventing unwarranted spending, thereby reducing the possibility of fraudulent activities. Provides legal compliance. The unit ensures that the department is compliant with both internal and state procurement rules and regulations. Enhances supplier relationships. The unit helps manage supplier contracts, creating long-term relationships with vendors, which can lead to better deals and discounts. Enables economies of scale. Bulk purchases can be coordinated through a procurement department to fully leverage economies of scale. 13b. Highlight 5 types of information that should be contained in a supplier's invoice. 10 marks. Seller details, the business name and address of the seller. Buyer details, the buyer's name and address. Invoice number, a unique identification number for the invoice. Description of goods or services, detailed description of the product or service supplied, including the quantity. Price and payment terms, the total amount due, tax details, any discounts, due date of payment, and the method of payment. 14a. Highlight 6 circumstances that may necessitate the preparation of a goods rejection report. 12 marks. Faulty goods, goods are damaged or faulty. Incorrect goods, goods delivered don't match the order. Quantity discrepancy, received quantity is not as per the purchase order. Late delivery, goods are delivered after the agreed upon delivery time. Non-compliance with regulations, goods don't meet health, safety, and quality standards. Wrong packaging, packaging is damaged or not as per agreed standard. 14b. Explain 4 circumstances under which a clerical officer deployed to a warehouse may issue goods to customers without an authorized materials requisition note. 8 marks. Emergency situation, in urgent cases where delay could affect the organization negatively. Verbal authorization, if a senior officer gives verbal approval due to an urgent need. Undue delay, if the note is taking too long and failure to release the goods would result in significant business losses. In-house use, goods are needed for immediate use within the organization. 15a. Explain 5 circumstances that may favor the use of shelves as storage equipment in a storehouse. 10 marks. Lightweight goods, goods are not too heavy and can be handled manually. Quick access, goods need to be frequently accessed. Adequate space, when there's enough space in the warehouse to accommodate shelving. Assortment of goods, shelves are adaptable to hold a variety of goods. Cost-effective, funds are limited and cheaper storage options are required. 15b. Explain 5 ways in which a clerical officer may enhance security of stores records. 10 marks. Locking filing cabinets to secure hard copies of documents. Using password protection to prevent unauthorized access to digital files. Regular audits to check the accuracy of records and early detection of irregularities. Limiting access, only authorized personnel should have access to the records.